Live here bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we got a technical analysis on Siacoin here, guys. For those of you that don't remember, Siacoin was our decentralized cloud platform. But really quick, guys, before we dive into that, Bitcoin currently sitting at 8,700. But we're going to really quick take a look at the charts before we run over a quick market cap or a cryptocurrency market cap and we'll run through some coins. Market cap currently sitting at 415 billion. Today's volume 38 billion. Bitcoin dominance 35.3. As you can tell, Bitcoin currently sitting at 8,700, down 5% for the day. Ethereum below 1,000 at 900 almost, down 13%. Ripple down to 85 cents, down 12%. Cardano down 16%, down to 36. Lumen's at 39 cents. Litecoin at 129. EOS at 957. Dash at 574. Lisk at 20. Tron almost at 4 cents. Let's see. Omisi Go $13. Stratus almost at 9, Zcash 373. So a lot of these coins, guys, are very great prices to buy, in my opinion. Status at 16 cents, Kyber Network 333, Dogecoin ridiculously cheap. But don't buy Doge, guys. That's just my opinion. ARC at 429. The basic attention token at 41 cents. Digibyte, look at that, 4 cents. Definitely gonna be buying some Digibyte here pretty soon. Golem at 36 cents, pretty cheap. What else? Syscoin 47, probably gonna be buying some Syscoin. Power Ledger at 67 cents, look at that. Nexus at 378. Redcoin, wow, these are dirt cheap. If you thought they were cheap before, look at them now. But let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin, guys. So this is Bitcoin daily, US dollar. As you can tell, we came all the way down to about 7,500. I've been saying we're going to fall from about 8,000 to 7,500. This is the ideal zone I was trying to buy in. However, I'm going to be waiting a little bit longer. Some things that I'm kind of waiting to see that may or may not be playing out here. Go ahead and draw my lines here. Oops, just that one. So we have a nice little down. I mean, we're already in a major downtrend, but we have a minor downtrend here, as you could tell. So what I'm kind of expecting here from Bitcoin is we're probably going to be seeing a push towards the upside, maybe around 10,000. And then we could be seeing either a double bottom here at 7,500, guys, or I believe we'll be seeing a push to about 6,000, or the 6,000 zone. We'll say about 6,750, 6,500. And from here, actually, we're going to go, our zone is from 7,500 to 6,250. Let me draw that for us, actually. Where's my little... There it is. So this is our zone. I believe we're going to fall somewhere in here. In this zone, if we don't double bottom here. So, where's my paintbrush? Possible double bottom here, or if we break through that support of 7,500, we could find support here at about 6,250 and then bounce towards the upside. But this is just my personal opinion, guys, not a financial advisor. However, Bitcoin is at a great price to buy. Not a financial advisor, personal opinion, but look at it. Let's take a look. Went from 20,000 all the way to about 8,730. So, you know, that's more than a 50% drop. If anything's 50% off, I'm probably going to buy it, just saying. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum broke through our trend line, and we came all the way down to about 732. Still looking, I believe we're still going to be coming down a little bit. Oh, it's pushing down. Probably going to come down, find support here at about 800. From 800 to about 725, and then we'll bounce towards the upside. Let's go ahead and look at Litecoin now. I believe Litecoin will behave the exact same way as Bitcoin. So what I'm expecting here from Litecoin is a possible double bottom here. If not, we could break to about 75 to 60 and then push towards the upside. So it all really depends on how Bitcoin behaves. So we could be seeing this. Two possible scenarios here. But really quick, guys, before we dive into Sia's technical analysis, I want to show you Sia's coin. They updated their website here, as you can tell. Pretty clean design. I like how it looks. The old one was cool too, but this one just seems a lot more smoother, a lot more sleek. So, you know, just kind of wanted to show you guys that. Also, before we dive into the technical analysis, if you guys don't follow Sia on Twitter, I recommend you do. Definitely a lot. They retweet a lot of useful things. Crypto in 3 minutes here, explained by somebody who blogged it. Learn about crypto competing Dropbox, Amazon, and Microsoft. So learn more about Sia there. We've been hard at work last few months refreshing our Sia brand today, so that's why they got the new website. What else? What else? Reminding you to update. Not going to scroll too much. I just kind of wanted to show you that they do post some important things there, so definitely follow them on Twitter. Roadmap here for Sia 2018, 2019, 2020. Excuse me. So their goal for 2018 tier, Sia becomes production ready. So expecting to be going live here in 2018. I definitely expect that to be pushing the price up. 2019 here, Sia starts to approach Amazon S3 speed, so they'll be able to start and compete with Amazon, which that'll be pretty interesting. And in 2020, it's saying a true competitor to Amazon, companies start to switch to Sia. So they're expecting in 2 years from people to be switching over from Amazon over to Sia. 2 years is a long time, but a very short time at the same time. So this could fly by. I definitely see Siacoin here shooting towards the upside very, very soon. Let's go ahead and look at some charts here, guys. We're stuck in a nice little bearish channel. I already drew some previous support and resistance for us. Looks like we have a pretty solid resistance here at about 10 cents. Pretty solid support here at about 20 cents. And if we zoom out a little bit, this is the 4-hour, but if we zoom out to the daily, sorry. Came up, came down, came up, or came up, came down, sorry. Here, let me draw this for you. I know visuals are better than sometimes me talking. Came up, came down, came up, came down. Failed to form a higher high, so we call this a lower high. And then came down, lower high again. And possibly going to be finding support here. I don't know why I had to draw that all the way, but definitely looks like we have pretty solid support here. This is our previous breakout zone, so definitely expecting us to consolidate here for a little bit and then break out towards the upside. So that's one reason why I believe we'll hold here. Another reason is we're bouncing off. This could be a potential third bounce. And the way I draw my trend lines is 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounces. If it bounces off the third one, that means it's good for an uptrend. So we could definitely be seeing a reversal around this. Where do I see this coin going here in 2018, guys? I believe Siacoin can easily be a 15-cent coin, but this will be happening towards the end of 2018, right before 2019, once they start really coming up to speed with Amazon S3. But this is just my personal opinion, guys, not a financial advisor. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn post notifications on, new video every single day. Comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. Make sure you guys are following and upvoting. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.